Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a daily time limit or limit Facebook usage on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to select the apps tile. And then you want to select all apps at the top. Scroll down and select the Facebook button or tile in here, and then select screen time, and then select app timer underneath settings, and you can select how long you want Facebook to be usable on that device per day, and it will automatically reset the limit at midnight. You would select OK to save it, and if you wanted to remove that later, just click the little trash bin icon next to it, and that will remove the limit that you applied. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.